I saw the word impede written the other day just by itself, and my brain accidentally read it as impede in isiXhosa. And it got me thinking, so why do isiXhosa speakers sometimes mistake words like these for isiXhosa words? And that is because all nouns in isiXhosa follow a pattern within a noun class system that is unique to all Bantu languages. All nouns in isiXhosa start with a vowel like an A, an I, an O, or U, and end in a vowel as well like A, E, I, O, or U. So then when we see a word that starts with one of these beginning vowels and ends in one of the end vowels, and then within the word follows a similar pattern of consonants and vowels, then our brain automatically switches and recognizes the word as an isiXhosa word, even if it's not. Personally, I'm really proud when I have these moments because it shows me that my brain is really absorbing the language and starting to think more and more in isiXhosa. And this is all because I got a really good understanding of the foundational structures that make up the language of isiXhosa, and I learned how to apply this. So if you want to learn the basics of isiXhosa so that you can confidently have conversations and build a solid foundation so that you can learn with more independence for years to come,